Hello, Basic English class presentation topic prose. Contents. The presentation provides an overview of the contents included in the prose section. A Room 10 by 8 by K.S. Duggal. K.S. Duggal is an author who has written stories, novels and plays. A Room 10 by 8 is a short story written by K.S. Duggal. The story depicts the theme of generation gap. It depicts the changing conditions faced by elderly people in modern society. The story focuses on a character, Mrs. Malik, who thinks of allotting a small room meant to be a storeroom in her new house to her mother-in-law. However, she views a similar situation from a different point of view after many years. Spoken English and Broken English by G.B. Shaw. G.B. Shaw wrote plays, novels, stories, essays, etc. Spoken English and Broken English is a transcript of a talk delivered by the author George Bernard Shaw in 1927. Spoken English and Broken English is a transcript of a radio talk by the author G.B. Shaw. The talk expresses the speaker's views on speaking correct English. The speaker expresses his suggestions on speaking English to learners of the language. Forgetting by Robert Lind. The essay Forgetting is written by the writer Robert Lind. The essay Forgetting is a humorous essay. The subject of the essay is based on the theme of forgetting. The speaker discusses the causes of forgetting. In the essay, the speaker expresses views about people who have the habit of forgetting things. The speaker mentions the objects or things that are commonly forgotten by people. The essay describes the things commonly lost by people and the places wherein people commonly forget or misplace things. The speaker provides examples of the objects or things commonly forgotten or lost by people. The speaker expresses wonder or surprise about the efficient manner in which the human memory works. My Greatest Olympic Prize by Jesse Owens. The story My Greatest Olympic Prize is written by Jesse Owens. The story is based on some events that occurred during the Olympic Games in 1936. The story focuses on a friendship between two competitors in the Olympic Games in a challenging atmosphere. The story expresses the sporting spirit that rises above the challenge of competition. The story My Greatest Olympic Prize is written by Jesse Owens. The story is narrated in the first person. The speaker describes the unexpected friendship between two competitors during the Olympic Games in 1936. Thank you.